Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make some barbecue spare ribs. And the purpose of this demonstration is to teach you how to make homemade barbecue sauce. I don't have any Baby Ray today, so I'm going to go from scratch. And that's the purpose of cooking the spare ribs. So I'm going to start out with the spare ribs in the oven, and then part of the way through we'll make the barbecue sauce, and then when it gets 3/4 the way done, I'm going to put the barbecue sauce on the spare ribs. Okay, so give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Okay, let's do it. Thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, so this is the pan that I'm going to put the spare ribs in. It's already oiled with olive oil. Now when you buy spare ribs, if you don't need the whole slab, then don't cook the whole slab. Cut it up every 2 bones or so and package it every 2 bones. That way, if it's 2 people eating, you take out 2 packages. If it's 3 people, you take out 3 packages. And then you can see how you can have the other portion for another time. You know, food is going up, 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 up. They said it's as high as it's been in centuries. So we need to learn to save and stretch a dollar, right? Because sometimes if you cook the whole slab, you don't even eat the whole thing. It might go to the trash. Okay? Alright, so we're going to add some granulated garlic on here. And as you can see, I have 2 pieces of spare ribs. It was 2 stuck together. I cut it in half. Now I have, I'm going to call 2 bones. Okay, I still granulated garlic. Lemon pepper. Granulated onion. And I'm going to turn that over. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, now that that is all on there, let's put it in the pan. Let me wash my hands. Okay, we're going to wrap it with aluminum foil. And before I put the foil on, I'm going to put about 1 ounce of water on the bottom to make steam. Okay, that's my ounce of water. Okay, so I'm going to cook this on 350 degrees in the oven until it is tender. When I stick the fork in, I want it to go in nice and smoothly. And also I'll check the temperature to make sure it's cooked to temp. Okay? Okay, so I'll be right back. I got to give you the word of the day. Okay, so our spare ribs are out the oven and I let them cool down so I can handle it. Okay? Okay, so I told you the purpose of this video was to teach you how to make barbecue sauce. Okay, so let's do it. I have some ketchup. If you do not have ketchup, you don't have to use ketchup. You can go with the everything else, okay? Paprika will do the same trick. Okay. So I got a half a cup here. Half cup measure. Half a cup of ketchup. This is the key ingredient, paprika, okay? So let's shake this in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tablespoons of paprika. I have some Dijon mustard. Oh no. Ah, all over my hand. 1 second. Okay, had to pick that up. Let me wash my hand. Okay, where were we? So let's do 2 drops of mustard. 1, 2. Oh, that went 3. Okay, we got 3 in there, guys. And then I have some honey. So if you're going to do honey barbecue sauce, you use the honey, which we're going to use. If you want just regular barbecue sauce, don't put the honey in. I like the honey because it makes it stick. Okay, and I have some sriracha hot sauce. You know that's very, very hot. So if you don't like hot stuff in your food, don't put it in. Wait a minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of sriracha hot sauce. If you don't have sriracha hot sauce, any hot sauce will do. If you don't have hot sauce, cayenne pepper will do. Okay? Okay. Now let's mix that up. And now we're going to add some brown sugar. So I got 1 heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. Now we need vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You know, it says with the mother. The mother is, you'll see all the apple products on the bottom. That's because they don't take that out of the apple cider vinegar by Bragg's. They leave it in. And that's very nutritional. Okay. So vinegar, let's do 2 caps. 1, 2. 2 caps of vinegar. I want to taste. Oh yeah, that's it. I just taught you how to make homemade barbecue sauce. How about that, huh? Now you can put that on chicken, pork. If you're cooking out, you can use it. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush it on all sides. Let me let you see me. I'm going to turn that over. Make sure you get every part. Oh, it tastes so good. Guys, I can't wait till you try it. So you don't have to spend a couple of dollars for barbecue sauce unless you want to, because now I just showed you how to make it with everything right in your kitchen. Okay, I gotta get a pan to put that in. Okay, I got a pan here. Okay. I'm going to put the excess right over it. Give a nice thick coating. Okay, we're going to finish it off in the air fryer. So you know we started in the oven, and we're just going to brown it right here in the air fryer. We just want it to stick, the barbecue sauce to stick to the spare ribs. Okay, let's put that in. I'm going to cook it on 370 at high temperature. I'm going to take that down to, let's go 4 minutes. That should be plenty of time. Okay? How about that? So let me talk to you while we're waiting. So I don't know if you've noticed lately, but what I'm trying to do is show you how to stretch your budget, you know, with utilizing leftovers, okay? Because other than that, the leftovers go to the trash, and then your money is now in the trash. So why not figure out how you can keep certain things in your house so that you can make some other choices, like shrimp. Okay, you say, oh, shrimp is very expensive. No, it's not. It's about $13 for a bag, and you get about maybe 40 shrimp in there. That's a lot. So if you bag it up, you can see how you can make several meals out of that, okay? And so like the barbecue sauce, I didn't have any barbecue sauce. I made barbecue sauce. Another thing to save you money, because the more money you can save, the more you are going to be able to survive with. And that is the real word of the day, right? Okay. All right, so we have 3 minutes left. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Thanks. Okay, guys, there we go. Honey barbecue spare ribs. For me. Okay, let me taste. And for you. And now you know how to make homemade barbecue sauce. Okay, let's taste. Nice and tender. You know, I cooked the ribs in the oven, regular oven, for 2 hours. Nice and tender. Spare ribs is a tough piece of meat, so you do have to cook it longer to get that nice and tender. And the barbecue sauce, spot on. Oh, so good. Actually, it's better than Baby Ray. I should put that on the market. Okay. Love you, love you, love you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.